we've got mystery pins. I think this is a new set. I haven't seen it yet. I haven't even seen it on TikTok or anywhere on Instagram, and it's Villains. We don't particularly collect Villains pins. Jason here does have some. It was actually his very first mystery pin set. So I don't know, these ones are actually really cool. I like that they have like their own little arches or frame. I'm hoping for Cruella. I like Cruella. It's like her car on top. I would love to get Captain Hook or Hades, but they're all cool. All right, here we go. First one. We have, oh.
Whoa.
Yes! Hades!
Oh, nice. That's
That's
cool.
exactly what I wanted. I love it. Big Hercules fan here. Alright, next pin. What if we got Cruella? Or Captain Hook? I'd be happy with either. Did you see it?
No, I didn't.
Oh, I saw the bottom.
Oh, no.
I think it's Maleficent. Yep. Still
Nice.
cool.
No, it's still cool.
Those are our pins. Should we collect these ones?
You could.
I have Disney reward points to use, so there you have it. Okay, and that was our little mystery pin haul here at Coronado Springs. This is where we found the pins, by the way. Thank you for watching, and follow along for more Disney content and more mystery pin unboxings.